Okay, so bad news to end the week for Lizzo. So let's just get to the article from Deadline. The headline: Lizzo loses bid to stop assault, sexual harassment, and discrimination suit from tour dancers. All right. So, the article. Oh, I've been so down and under pressure, Lizzo sings in her award-winning hit song About Damn Time. And the Watch Out for the Big Girls host might be feeling the poignancy of those lyrics more than ever right now. A year after Lizzo won Record of the Year at the 65th Annual Grammys for About Damn Time, the singer today finds herself facing a trial on sexual harassment, discrimination, and other claims from a trio of her former tour dancers. The Marty Singer represented Lizzo and fellow defendants Big Touring Inc. and dance team head Shirlene Quigley came up short in their attempt to have the explosive lawsuit filed in August gutted on free speech grounds. Which I have to admit, free speech? If they're accusing you of abuse, that is not free speech anymore. I mean, free speech does not include abuse. So, it's dangerous for the court to weigh in ham-fisted into constitutionally protected activity, LA Superior Court Judge Mark Epstein wrote in a ruling made public today, rejecting a large swath of Lizzo's anti-slap strategy on the matter. But it is equally dangerous to turn a blind eye to allegations of discrimination or other forms of misconduct merely because they take place in a speech-related environment. Absolutely. Because if that were the case, bullying would, and especially cyberbullying, wouldn't be a thing. But, alas, it is. Also, while Lizzo is looking at a trial likely next year, she won't be facing all of the salacious claims that Ariana Davis, Crystal Williams, and Noel Rodriguez hit her with last year. A nude photo shoot conducted for Watch Out for the Big Girls is protected under free speech, according to Judge Epstein. That claim, as well as others connected to instances of body shaming, employment, soft hold, and the trio being put through self-described excruciating auditions for their jobs, also fall under the protection of the First Amendment in the LASC judge's point of view. Calling the process no easy task, Judge Epstein agreed with Lizzo's lawyers that California's anti-slap laws protect her on those claims from her special tour, which started on September 23, 2022, and ended on July 30th. Okay, so not everything. Actually, it sounds like that's most of it. So I don't know what's left. That's good news for Lizzo, but the overall results in a very mixed and thorny bag. As Judge Epstein noted, the fact that the alleged incidents take place in the entertainment or speech world is no shield of invulnerability or license to ignore law enacted for the protection of Californian citizens. Represented by West Coast entertainment lawyers partner Ron Zambrano, Davis, Williams, and Rodriguez's suits allege that they and other dancers were forced to attend and participate in sex shows at venues like Paris's famed Crazy Horse Cabaret while on tour with Lizzo. It goes on to claim that they had their virginity mocked, were placed in false imprisonment, and found themselves frequently at the receiving end of religious tirades from members of Lizzo's tour staff. In that context, the August 1st filed action alleges racial discrimination from Lizzo's all-white management team against Davis, Williams, and other dancers. So, okay, we've got the discrimination claims, but what is wrong? Why aren't you moving? Where is my... Oh my god. My computer is being stupid this morning. Alright. Where am I? The situation was exacerbated not long afterward by another suit from Asha Davis, a wardrobe designer who worked on Lizzo's 2023 tour, and claims of disrespect by the singer's camp from Oscar-nominated filmmaker Sophia Nali Allison. Today, both sides in this dispute were claiming a victory of a sort. We are pleased that Judge Epstein wisely threw out part of 4 of the plaintiff's cause of action, said Lizzo spokesman Stefan Friedman to Deadline after the judge's 34-page ruling was on the court docket. Lizzo is grateful to the judge for seeing through much of the noise and recognizing who she is, a strong woman who exists to lift others up and spread positivity. Nowhere did he say that. We plan to appeal all elements that the judge chose to keep in the lawsuit and are confident we will prevail. Okay, so the judge is awesome, but not awesome enough, I guess. Davis, Williams, and Rodriguez's team say they are the winners of this snafu because the case is still alive and heading to trial. We're very pleased with the judge's ruling, and we absolutely consider it a victory on balance, Attorney Zambrano said. He did dismiss a few allegations, including the meeting where Ariana was fat-shamed, the nude photo shoot, and dancers being forced to be on hold while not on tour. However, all the other claims remain, including sexual, religious, and racial discrimination, sexual harassment, the demeaning visits to the Bana Bar in Amsterdam, and Crazy Horse in Paris, false imprisonment, and assault. He added, the ruling also rightfully signals that Lizzo, or any celebrity, is not insulated from this sort of reprehensible conduct merely because she is famous. We now look forward to conducting discovery and preparing the case for trial. Which means this and the other cases against Lizzo could still be going on by the 67th annual Grammys in 2025. A lot of damn time. So that's how the article ends. So, unfortunately, we don't know when the trial is going to start. All we know is that there's going to be one. At least one. So, with that, there really isn't much more to say about this. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. I have no opinion either way as to who is lying about what. But as it is, that's all the information I have, so I will see you guys in the next video.